There's an earthquake. Something happened. I need somebody come over here. In the aisle. I fell over here or something. Man, somebody, I fell right here. Something right here is, oh, somebody come over here. Oh, shit. Oh, look at me. Oh, is it about 1 minute? Please. Oh. Nobody's looking, nobody's watching, just cut it. Oh, man, I really hurt my side. Can you stop?
Baby, ain't we supposed to be going to the moon today?
To the moon?
That was the plan. I got the astronaut.
Oh my God.
I got the astronaut suit.
What the? I almost fell. I almost freaking fell. That is a lawsuit, man. That is a lawsuit, man. That is a lawsuit. Excuse me.